Good morning all. Welcome to the pre-market report of May 30th. I'm Binu from Acumen Capital. Today, all Asian markets are trading with gains. Japan, Hong Kong, both these markets up by almost 2% gain. Korea, Taiwan, these markets are up by more than 1%, and Singapore Nifty is showing 150 points gain. So positive trend across Asian markets. On last Friday, the US market also ended with solid gains. Dow Jones up by 1.8%, S&P up by 2.5%, and Nasdaq was the outperformer, which closed higher by 3.3%. So on a weekly basis, all the three US indices closed higher last week, especially Dow Jones up by more than 6%. So some strong earnings report from retail companies helped the rally, and there was some positive economic data. Inflation showing a slowdown. So that's the main trigger for US market last weekend. So one of the important inflation data indicator, CPE, that is core personal consumption expenditure, was at 4.9% in April. This is better when we compare with the previous month data of 5.2%. And this is one of the important indicator for US Fed. So next US Fed meeting is in June. So before that, one more data has to come. This Friday, the monthly payroll data is expected to announce. So market is expecting a good growth in the economic data, but lower than the previous month data. So market is expecting 3.2 lakh payrolls number on this Friday. So all this economic data, everything showing that some kind of bottoming formation in US market. So as of now, market is expecting that in June and in the next policy meeting also, US Fed may increase the rate by 0.5%, but after that, there may be a slowdown in the rate hike. So from when markets see that 0.5% rate hike slow down to 0.25%, that time market will rally. So most likely from September onwards, there may be a 0.25% rate hike only. So on this expectation, nowadays we can see some strong gains in US market. Today is a holiday for US market because of Memorial Day. And another important factor to watch, which is especially important for India, is the crude oil price movement. Crude oil now, Brent crude prices are now very near to 2-month high of $120 per barrel. So a couple of factors for the rally. One is that on demand, strong demand expectation from US on the holiday season. Second is that Shanghai will, there is a news that Shanghai will cancel many restrictions for business to reopen from June 1st onwards. So after 2 months of lockdown, Shanghai is going to reopen from this week. So that will also increase the fuel demand. Another thing is that on Sunday, European Union failed to reach an agreement on the Russian crude oil ban, but talks are still going on. So Monday, Tuesday, there is a European Council meeting. So we have to wait and watch for the outcome of this meeting. Anyway, crude oil market is on the upside only. So that may put some pressure in our market today. Say for India, tomorrow the GDP data is coming. So market is expecting a GDP growth of somewhere around 4 to 4.25% in this quarter 4. So that data will come tomorrow after 5:30 only. Today and this week, around 300 companies are announcing the results. Today, some of the important companies are LIC, Sun Pharma, Jubilant Foodwork, Aravindo Pharma, Campus Activewear, IRCTC, Coffee Day, Dhambur Sugar, Dixon Technology, Wakart. So many active mid-caps are announcing the results today. Sun Pharma, the market is expecting a net profit of 1,800 crore. And regarding Jubilant Food, market is expecting a net profit of 105 crore, which is almost steady year on year. Aravindo Pharma may report a lower number. 580 crore net profit is expected, which is minus 27% year on year. Dixon Technology may report a strong number of 56 crore net profit, which is 28% up year on year. And Jindal Steel and Power, their net profit is expected to be slightly down at 1,730 crore. So these are a couple of result expectations. And last week after the market close, many results came. One is Nykaa. Their profit down by 33%. But overall market may give some kind of gain for after their results. Anyway, the stock is down around 50% from all-time high level. So Nykaa is a stock to watch. Jubilant Pharmova, there is a news that company entered into an agreement with the US government for 149 million expansion for its vaccine facility. JSW Steel came out with the result. It was down. Profit was down by 23% year on year at 3,200 crore. ONGC also announced result which was lower than market estimate, and again concerns there regarding the one-time tax. So Sun TV also reported a lower number. Their margins are down from 70% to 66%. M&M reported very strong numbers. Their net profit is at 1,292 crore, which is up by 4 times year on year. And Glenmark Pharma again reported below estimate numbers. Their margins down from 18% to 15.3%. So some kind of negative reaction for Glenmark Pharma. Today there is a new listing, but market is say that listing may not be very attractive. Ethos Limited will list today. So these are a couple of stocks to watch. And regarding Nifty, say last week the market rally was triggered by movement in buying Nifty and auto stocks mainly. Buying Nifty moved up by 4% last week. Today, anyway, we are expecting a breakout from this consolidation range. So this consolidation range has been there for past many days. So most probably today Nifty will break out from this range and move towards 16,600 either today or tomorrow. Today, anyway, a gap up opening is there. So 16,477 is the first level to watch on the upside because in the recent past market couldn't cross this level. So after 16,477, next important level to watch is 16,600. Before that, there is a minor resistance at 16,540 level, 545 level. 16,600 level is important because there is a gap formation here between 16,650 and 16,470. So most likely this gap may be filled either today or tomorrow. And Today the critical level to watch is 16,400, because in the past many days market failed from this level 16,400 420 level. So that will be the critical support for the day, and below this 16,340 will be the lower support. This is an educational video. Thank you for watching.